Hey guys, here at osandvdxreviews.com. This is why AFA Stylus and all multifunctional smart pen. What this is a basic pen that has a ton of features in it, and you can pick this device up directly from Office Depot or Office Max, any of the office stores, for $30 to $40, depending on where you're getting it at. And that at $40, it's a really expensive pen, but it hides a lot of features that are worthwhile if you are somebody who has uses for all the features we're going to talk about in a second. First of all, it's a really professional pen. So if you're a corporate CEO or anything like that, or you want something that's really fancy and looks great on your desk, then the YAFA pen will be great for you because it has this genuine leather finish. It's a real leather on the top. It's a hardened leather, and it has great grip on the bottom of the pen as well. It's got a great weight in general and about the size of a standard ballpoint pen, except it also has an extended tip, which gives away its presence of more than one feature. In addition to being a resistive touchscreen stylus, it also offers being multiple functions like a gel pen for multiple colors, and we also have a highlighter and just tips in general. But the real beauty of this pen in general is how you actually get the different functions to work. For example, when you press the pen tip over, after you have selected what feature you want to take out from the tip. To take the tip back in, you press a little piece of black plastic on the clip, and it takes the pen tip back in. In order to select what tip you want to place out, which the tips are all drawn in onto the metal here, it cycles through black, it cycles through a highlighter, it cycles through a stylus, and it cycles through 0.5, just a mechanical pencil. All these features are navigated by using a gravitational sensor. So it's kind of like a G sensor, except it's it's a mechanical, of course. It's not anything digital or chipset. But you can actually hear the tips turning. And what that means is that it automatically adjusts so that the feature that you want to take out is always going to be facing upwards towards you. So right now we're facing the 0.5 logo, which that means the 0.5 and mechanical pencil. Pressing this pen right now will actually take out the mechanical pencil, and if we get more lead, we will keep on pressing it, and voila, lead is coming out. And there's also a built-in eraser if you take that out and take off the top lid. And we want to access the next feature, which is black. And here a click, we pressed it, and now this has become a black pen. So circling this again, we can access the gel pen feature, or kind of the highlighter feature. The ink coming out of this device now will be yellowish, orangish, reddish, and that mixture of more highlighting for editing pen tools. And of course, cycling it one more time, we'll take it to the stylus, which stylus is facing up. We press it again, and again we have a real stylus. This is a orange plastic stylus, which works great on resistive touchscreens, Windows mobile handsets, on some tablets in general, and it's great to just use around because it's got a great grip and a professional look. So the YAFA Stylus multifunctional pen is great because it has, again, a leather design. It's got a really great look to it. But in addition, the gravitational sensor and the way of actually selecting the pen tips by rolling the pen, and it's labeled, all the features are labeled on the chrome edge on the top. You can't really see it on camera, but there's also tiny logos saying what feature you want to use, and pointing the pen up towards one of those titles and pressing it down will actually access that feature. This implementation is really cool, and it's really worth it. However, the price point of around $40 does keep it from being a really mainstream product, but if you want to get a really premium stylus for your resistive touchscreen, then this might be the one to consider, and you can pick it up at a lot of store locations. Thanks for watching here at osandvdxreviews.com.